Hey y'all, hey, welcome to Zaria's Creations, where we do everything paper, planning, pixels, and crafting. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Alright y'all, so a funny thing happened to me as I was scrolling social media. A message popped up from a young lady, one of my sister friends on Facebook, and she asked me, how do I go about getting my Canva link in bio versus a Linktree link in bio? And we spent about 30 minutes, I guess, chatting back and forth. And then she finally got it. No sooner than we finished our conversation, I got yet another message. Hey, how did you get your Canva link in bio? So guess what? Now there's a video. All right, so let's get signed into Canva. And I must say, guys, I do have a paid version of Canva. Let's see if we can get this a little better. Yeah, I do have the paid version of Canva, and I highly recommend it. It definitely comes recommended from me. So let's start with what they call it is a bio website. Bio link website. And actually, let me show you mine before. Actually, I should have. Let's go back. I'm going to show you what mine looks like. So here's what mine looks like. And I have all the links to all of my social media so that when you go to click, you see how the links come up. And that's how people see it on my Instagram or wherever I actually post this. All right, let's go back to my BioLink website. And I want to go to the category of social media, and I want an Instagram stories because I want it to be clickable. All right, so let's scroll and see what is cute. Now they have some that are free and some that are paid. Oh, this one over here is cute. It looks better on screen than it does of me recording the screen. Oh, but I also like this one. All right, not gonna waste too much time with this. So let's go back to this one. So I just clicked on it. Then I'm gonna click customize this template. And then boom, the template, excuse me, is gonna arrive. So here's a picture that you can switch out. It is a frame. And I'm not sure if you can do this. Well, I think this is a free one, so you'll be able to do it with the free one. So I am going to find a picture of myself and start there. And I'm going to just come over to the left-hand side, click projects. And I already have a tab that says me. And I'm just going to drag and drop. And so here is where we are going to change and add our links. I'm going to move this out the way. All right, and we're going to add our links here. So let's see, what do I want this one to be first? Let's do YouTube because we're already on Instagram. So I'm going to do YouTube. All right, so I'm going to, I click the box again. See these three dots right here? Click that, come down to this link button. Click that and you see this box. Here's where you're gonna add your link. Now, what I found to be from trial and error is when it comes to certain websites, some of it wants the www dot portion, some of it doesn't. So let's see. I'm gonna do this one without the www, and let's see how this goes. So I'm just gonna put youtube.com and / Zaria's Creations. I'm going to hit enter. Let's see if the line pops up. Bam. done. So when that line pops up, it lets you know that it's been linked. Let's try something else. Let's go to, since it has a page, let's do Pinterest. Okay, you click off of it first so you can click back on it to get the 3 dots. I'm gonna do link, then I'm gonna do Pinterest.com / Zaria's Creations. Enter. Got a line. Bam. Let's see. Where else? I guess I'll put TikTok. I'm assuming we're still gonna have TikTok. Who knows? Or let's do Facebook. Because I do have a Facebook group. Oh, wait. 1 click. Then click the 3 lines. Then click link. And that'll be Facebook.com / Zaria's Creations. And done. Where else do I spend a lot of time? It's mainly Instagram, but I'm already on Instagram. Oh, the website. Let's just do the website. I'll just say shop with me. Click off, click on 3 dots, link, and that is www.zariascreations.com. Enter. Done. Now, here you want to change where it says really great site. I would just put your handle right here so they can just find you anywhere through your @ and my @ is @Zaria's Creations. Oh, let's not forget the S. So even though I have more platforms than what we see here, I'm just going to go with this right here. So then we want to do, we want to go over here to click the share button. Then we want to come down to, I think it's the view public link. Create public link view. It's copied. We want to copy it. Let's see. So I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to copy and click and paste. And let's see what we get. Oh, enter. Bam. And so this is what the people will see. So then they'll click on your first link. Goes right to YouTube. Oh, let's not do that. Click on your second link. Hey, and there she goes again. Click on Facebook. I'm not signed in, but you can see my page in the background. All that back there, that's Zaria's Creations. And you'll just need to sign in and make sure you hit that follow button, and then Shop With Me is the website where you can shop with me for all things paper, planning, crafting, and more. Okay, so here's the most important thing that I almost forgot to share with you guys. How do you put the link in your Instagram bio? So as you can see, I added Instagram down here to the bottom. I wasn't going to do it, but how else am I going to show you? So I want to go back to my link. So I'm going to hit that private link, copy it. I'm going to open up a new page. I am going to copy and paste it into the web browser. And then here's the page. Now I'm just going to click Instagram from here, and it's going to go to the Instagram page. That is my Zaria's Creations Instagram page. If you are watching, make sure you click that like button over on Instagram. So as you can see, the link is, this is my actual link. It is not the link that we're working on. So if I click this link right here, it gives me whatever links I have in here. And so that is my actual one that I shared with you guys earlier. So how do you get that link into your bio? You go to your edit profile. When you click that, it'll say website. And I put it right there in the website. And then that's it. That's how you get your link in bio. All right, so I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. See ya. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.